Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 20 Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my videos that I share to my channel daily. I know you are waiting of my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one and other topic which is your favorite, that is about new, latest, unique, beautiful stacked bob haircuts. So guys, let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. I'm showing all the beautiful stacked new latest hairstyles in this video. No doubt, these all hairstyles ideas are really gorgeous, latest, unique, according to the fashion and trend. After watching this hairstyle, you will inspire to get this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch. So guys, don't waste your time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one and go to your hairstylist. No doubt, all the beautiful girls, young girls, teenagers, girls, celebrities, and even models are getting this hairstyle in this summer. In this summer, these haircuts are really in. These all hairstyles are my favorite too. Well, I'm sharing all the beautiful latest drag pop haircuts with fashion hair colors. So guys, let me know which haircut you select for yourself and with which hair color. So you know yourself than anyone else. You know that what kind of haircut and color suits you. While I am sharing all the beautiful haircuts and hair color in this video, you can easily select among them. And also let me know which haircut and hair color you select for yourself. You can comment me and you can also appreciate me if you like the video through comment section. And if you like the video, you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they also can know about the latest fashion that I share to my channel because I made video on fashion daily. You can also share your ideas through comment section. It will be my first player to make video on your ideas. Your appreciation keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys daily on your favorite topic. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting me. And again, like, share and comment the video. I will be there in next video with one and other your favorite topic. Till then, take care yourselves and keep remembering me in your prayers too. God bless you all and have a great hair day.